Welcome to the NRKS Linux mantra. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about MySQL. MySQL is a popular database management system used for web and server application. And in this tutorial as well, you will know how to install MySQL and configure and manage SQL on your Ubuntu server. So first thing is here, how to install MySQL on your Ubuntu server. So first, once you open the terminal, you just go through sudo and su. It will gives you root privilege. When you will hit this command, it will ask you a root password. Because I'm telling you, because I'm at the root place. So now I'm going to give you the command how to install MySQL server. Once you hit this command, apt-get install mysql-server, it will install your MySQL in your Ubuntu server. And during the installation process, you will be promoted to set a password for the MySQL root user. Choosing a strong password and keep it in a safe place for a future reference. And another more important thing, I have already installed MySQL server, so I'm not going to install it again. So next command is for harden MySQL server. MySQL underscore secure underscore installation. When you will hit this command, it will run the MySQL secure installation script to address several security concerns in default MySQL installation. Sorry. So now I'm gonna to log in on MySQL server. Type MySQL space minus u root minus p. When you will type MySQL minus u root minus p, it will give you an option to enter your MySQL password. So I'm typing my password, you type your password. Don't cheat, okay? So see here, welcome to the MySQL Monitor. Your MySQL connection ID is 4 and server version I'm using 5.7.18, Ubuntu 16.04. 04.1 Ubuntu. Once you log on, on this server, MySQL server, so I'm going to give you a little bit important commands which is very necessary for you to use every time. See, when you will type SHOW, so DATABASES, database, and it should be separated by a semicolon. See, here by default created my database. Okay, so I'm removing some default and unusable database I have created here. So I use command drop database modi, and again I just wanted to check it out here. Modi database is there or not. So once again I have to type the same command. See, this database is not there. It means that database has been dropped by this command. And now I'm going to give you some most important and very necessary thing where we can learn more about SQL Server and some initial database command. So now I'm going to start one by one what I have in my mind. So select select version version double semicolon. I'll tell you what it will show and what it will, you know very well, I know that. So guys, it should be separated by a semicolon, and hit the enter command. You will see what happened now. I don't know exactly, but you know, because we are on the same bench. See, I select version and current date. So here is a 2 row and 1 separated column. Version 5.7.18 Ubuntu. It will show my operating system version and current date. What date is it? Okay. So again, another one more important, most important thing is here. You just practice this command, because if you will practice this command as soon as, you will be very much good in MySQL database. So one more command I'm going to teach you. Select sign pipe function I'm using, divide by 4. It's a arithmetic operation I'm doing here. You just keep watch and try to understand, because it's a very crucial thing for us. 4 plus 1. So again, see what happened here. I select sign function in pi function divide by 4, and one more command statement I have given here. 4 plus 1 into 4. So it will show you the result of this calculation. So guys, I hope you are getting enjoy with this tutorial, because it's a very important thing. If you will go one by one, so you'll know more about all these things. Okay, I'm going to tell you one more important thing command. See, select 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 version version version. It should be separated by semicolon, and select select new. Select now. So you guys are getting what gonna happen now. See, select version function I'm using here. So it's showing my, but make sure I have already used version, but in a different manner. Select version here buddy, here, see here, select where my cursor is moving. Okay, select version function I have used here, and separated by a single comma and current underscore date. So I saw here this kinds of result, but here I put command select version and separated by semicolon and select now. See, version gonna to show you same thing, and but make sure content and result is showing very differently here, and select now. Now function showing date and time. So once you will practice this command, you will know more what exactly happening with you. Because when you will to learn more and more about commands, so you should go to your library, go to search some specific kinds of book where you will lots of things you will can understand. But in this tutorial, I'm damn sure you will, if you will be continue with this tutorial, so you will know very well to about MySQL server. And now I'm going to teach you one more important and trick. So see here, select, when you will hit this command, it will show arrow. So now here you type Ramesh. Okay, not leave it. You just type user, 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 and hit the command and semicolon, one single comma, and hit that, and again type customer. Sorry, current date. I just spell very bad. U double R current date. And now once you hit the enter, finally you will get a result like very differently. See, when I select user function and separated by single comma and current date, so I get a result like this, user. So I'm using root @localhost as per our SQL server configuration, and current date as well, like that. But in this example, have you noticed how the prompt changed from MySQL to arrow? Here, when I select and I used enter, I get a arrow. So you just first thing to know the line of a multiple line in a query. This is how MySQL indicates that it has not yet seen a complete statement and is waiting for the rest. So now I'm gonna to move one more important command, like it will give you the decision. You do not want to execute a query that you are in the process of entering. Cancel it by typing /c semicolon. So select select, select user and /c. Hit the enter. See, you understand what happened in this scenario? Actually, in this scenario, if you don't want to execute a query that you are in the process of entering, cancel it by typing this scenario. Now again I just want to tell you some more prompt and prompt meaning. So what is prompt? So here you are watching, it's called prompt, and there are 5 types of prompt. First one, this one, MySQL. Its meaning ready for new query. Now I'm going to show you, this is another prompt, which means waiting for next line of multiple line query. See here. Got it? And the second one, upper comma and greater than, it means waiting for next line, waiting for compilation of a string that begin with a single quote. It means, don't worry, yeah, it will not skip. I'll tell you once again. It means upper comma greater than symbol. It means waiting for next line, waiting for compilation of a string that began with a single quote. Got it? I hope you got it. And third one is a double quoted comma, upper double quoted comma and greater than symbol. It means waiting for next line, waiting for compilation of string that began with a double quote. So there is no more differences between this and this prompt. Okay, it is a single upper quoted comma, and this is a double upper quoted comma. And third one, waiting for the next line and waiting for the compilation of an identifier with begin with an back tick. I hope if you will be confused in this prompt, so don't worry, I'll give you more and more example to about this kinds of prompt, but in my further upcoming videos. And one more prompt is here, slash asterisk greater than. It means waiting for the next line, waiting for compilation of a comment that began with slash asterisk. Multiple line statements commonly occur by accident when you intend to use a query on a single line, but forget the terminating session. In this case, MySQL wait for more input. See, if you want to exit from this situation, so you just type /C. Sorry, before you should have to type C and after that /. Oh, now not a problem. So one thing we can do like that, VQUIT, quite. Oh wow, I'm making fun with you guys. See, QUIT. So guys, what do you think? It will gonna to happen or not? Tell me one thing. Oh wow, what happened with this command? How? Cause already I write here bye. When we'll encountered with this kinds of problems, so you just type Control D and you will get out from this thread. So now we will move to the next command, select user. SELECT, select USER, user. In this scenario, you think you have entered a statement, but the only response is what? You want to check it out? It's getting error, syntax error near unexpected token. Oh, this is a very unexpected moment. Why? I'm asking why. You know, don't know. No problem. Again, guess it, man. Guess it. So your time is up, because you know where we are. Yes, you got it, man. I'm telling you like that. Why you are doing like that? So you should be very much clear to about these things, because you are with me. So I'm not going to be bored on that. I mean to say in tutorial. So be happy. One more command I just wanted to tell you, like before I was typing, but you guys are just little bit confused on that time, so not a problem. I'm just kidding you with guys. SELECT, select user, USER, user. So when you will type this command, so what will happen? It will gives you at that arrow. I mean this kinds of arrow. You first you will get one prompt. Okay, see, check it out. So okay, so what is asking is here? So is asking for a semicolon, you know, semicolon, because every statement in particular in MS SQL, every statement separated by a semicolon. So you have to type here a semicolon. So type it here. Oh, well done, man, did it. So buddy, this is tutorial I have done, because this is a common thing you should have to know. This is the first tutorial, this is the first video, so I think it's enough for you guys. But if you want much more thing, then I'll tell you one by one. It's not a big deal. But in this tutorial, I think it's enough for you guys. So keep chill with these commands and these statements, and be practice every day. If you will practice, then you will get more and more familiar with these kinds of command. Because in the next tutorial, I'm gonna to create and using database, how to create database and how to use database, like selecting a database, creating a table, loading data into a table, and selecting all data, selecting particular rows, selecting particular columns, sorting rows, data calculation, working with null values, and pattern matching, counting rows, using more and more things in SQL. We're gonna be rock here. So you should be enjoy. I think I just had a little bit fun with you guys, so don't mind. Bye bye. I'll catch you later in my next video.